Okay, I put 4 Splendas in there. I have donut shop coffee. Then I put creamer in there. I put 1 scoop. See how much this is? It's like 18/8 cup of creamer. And we add the coffee. Now, show you guys what I use for a whip topping for the coffee. Go in the refrigerator here. I add whipped cream as the whip topping. It tastes amazing. Just, y'all would love it. I'll show you what I'm about to do. Once the coffee's done, grab it out of here. And I stir it. Move these out of the way so you don't make a mess. I stir it. Really good. And I usually have creamer, liquid creamer that I put in my coffee, but I don't have that today. Get the stupid cap off here. Check this out. This is your whip topping for your coffee. It makes it really good when you drink it. Add that on there like that. And voila. You have some good coffee with whip topping. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye.